Christmas carols through the night. What's on your wish list for this Christmas? Is it pearls or a diamond ring? We can take a stroll, make angels in the snow, and gaze at all the lights. As we're holding hands, there's a reflection in your eyes, snowflakes gently falling from the starlit skies. We hear the sleigh bells ring, and the children as they sing reminds us of the joy that Christmas brings to one and all. What can I give to you for Christmas that you don't already have? I'll take all the love I know and tie it in a bow, surprise you underneath the mistletoe. So what will it be, my dear, this Christmas?